Now that you know how to make your sprite move and how to make your sprite spin, another thing you can add is a background. So we're going to take a look at that. First of all, make sure that you are signed in. If you're not signed in, then you are going to lose work. And I've seen so many students lose their work, and it makes them sad and it makes me sad. So make sure you're signed in. You should have an account over here, and it should not say sign in. If it says that, you need to do so. We're going to hit create. Now I have my cat, but the background is plain. So I'm going to click on the little scene of the mountains down here. So if you go down to the lower right corner, there's a scene of like mountains with a plus sign. I'm going to click on that. And Scratch has been so kind as to give us all these great backdrops that you can choose from. So I might pick this one. And there you go, you have a background, and now you are ready to code. Also, make sure you hit save now. So every time you see save now, hit it. If you don't see save now, it means that your latest changes have been saved. Have a great day.